Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to log in to your Shopify affiliate account. Follow these simple instructions to access your account seamlessly. Step 1. Visit the Shopify affiliate login page. Open your web browser and go to the Shopify affiliate login page. You can find this by entering Shopify affiliate login in your search engine, or by directly navigating to the Shopify affiliate program section on their website. Step 2. Enter your email address. Once you are on the login page, you will see a field prompting you to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email that is associated with your Shopify affiliate account. Step 3. Input your password. After entering your email, look for the password field below. Type in your password carefully. If you've forgotten your password, there is usually a Forgot Password link available for you to reset it. Step 4. Click on Login. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Login button. This will take you to your Shopify affiliate dashboard, where you can track your performance, access resources, and manage your affiliate links. Step 5. Troubleshooting login issues. If for any reason you cannot log in, double-check that you've entered the correct email and password. Ensure that your caps lock is off and that there are no extra spaces. If you're still having trouble, consult the Shopify support page for additional help, or consider resetting your password. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.